To start working with iPresso marketing automation, we need to monitor our website. Monitoring lets us use real-time marketing actions such as pop-up content. Go to the System module and navigate the Monitoring Features Site Monitoring subsection to monitor your website. Here, you can find all your monitored websites. We can add a new site by choosing the red Add button at the top side of the panel. In the following section, you will find a short description of the monitoring goal. Fill in the first field with your website address. It must be the exact address with the necessary HTTPS prefix. In the second field, fill in the domain of your website, in our case test-site.com. Confirm the choices to proceed to the next step by clicking on the red Add button. Now you can see your new generated tracking code. Also, here you can find a short instruction reminding you how to implement it. Let's copy the code to install it on your website. You can add the code to your website by hand via HTML editor or using special tools. One of the tools offering such a feature is the Google Tag Manager. Go to the Tags section and navigate to the New button in the upper right-hand corner. Proceed to the tag configuration and choose Custom HTML in the Custom section. Paste the code in the large Tag field. Configure the trigger for your code. By default, you need to implement the code on each subsite. Choose the All Pages option to do so. Confirm the choice with the Save button. In the prompt window, give your code the desired name. Finalize the process by publishing the code via Publish option at the top of the menu. It will implement the code on your chosen website.